Want to switch things up on Windows 11? I'll show you how to place the taskbar on top. Stay tuned for a quick and easy tutorial. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Regedit and click the top result to open the registry editor. Browse the following path. H key, current user and software, o Microsoft o. Windows o current version, Explorer o, Stuckrects. 3 double-click the settings binary key. Under the value data section, in the second row and the 6th column, click the 03 value. Press the delete key and replace the value with 01. Open the Search the menu, then type CMD, and right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Right-click on the taskbar and open Taskbar Settings. After that, click on Taskbar Behaviors to expand the menu. Next, in the Taskbar Alignment drop-down menu, choose Left. That's it. Now the taskbar icons will move to the left on your Windows 11 PC. To move the Windows 11 taskbar at the top of the screen. Change the 03 value to 02 to move the taskbar on the right side of the screen. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.